So, are you guys going to San Gennaro later?
I don't think I can. 'Cause actually, I have to study for this test coming up. I think my mom's on to me.
Come on. Don't be lame. Lee, just come. It's like a New York rite of passage.
And you're crushing calculus, by the way.
See? You have to come.
We'll be there.
Maybe.
Okay. Then maybe I will see you tonight.
Dude, you are so in.
We're just friends.
You decide how you're gonna make your move tonight?
I'm not making a move, Alan.
No. Tonight is the night to make a move, man. It's got everything. Music, romance, sausage, peppers, cotton candy. Who's that guy?
Told you we were just friends.